Making money as a content clipper is a viable option. And one platform that offers higher rewards is Whop. To get started, you'll need to join Whop. And once you've signed up, you can begin clipping content. Content clipping involves taking long-form content from other creators and turning it into short-form content, which can then be monetized. The creators of the original content pay you for views generated from your short-form clips. To find content to clip, navigate to the Discover section on Whop, and then click on Content Rewards. From there, you can browse through various offers. And if you're a clipper, you'll want to focus on the Clipping section. There are numerous offers available, with new ones being added daily. What's great about Whop is that it provides a stable RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, based on the number of views you generate. In comparison to other platforms, WAP's RPMs are significantly higher. For example, on some platforms, you might earn up to 20 cents per 1,000 views, while on others, you might earn up to $8 per 1,000 views. Although this can fluctuate, on Whop, however, you can earn a guaranteed amount, which can range from $1 to $5 per 1,000 views, and sometimes even higher. To maximize your earnings, you can sort offers by highest CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and then join the corresponding communities, which are often free to join. Once you've joined a community, you can access the content and requirements for clipping. For instance, you might need to submit your clip for review within a certain time frame, and you'll need to ensure that your clip meets the specified requirements, such as having the sound attached and being at least a certain length. If you comply with the requirements, you can submit your clip and start earning money based on the views it generates. The payouts can be substantial, with some users earning over $1,500 for 400,000 views. This is a significant amount, especially considering that you're essentially creating short-form content from someone else's long-form content. Overall, becoming a content clipper on Whop can be a lucrative opportunity, and with the right strategy, you can earn a significant income.